Alright guys, like the title said, we'll be checking out gaming on the A25 5G. Right now we're using the N64 emulator. As you can see, it's running really smooth. Had no complaints. This game actually felt like I was playing the console real smooth. No hiccups, no lags whatsoever. Alright, just want you guys to see it for yourself. Again, this is now we're trying the NES emulator. Right, remember this phone is pushing 6 gigs of RAM, and it's a 6.5-inch screen. I want to show it to you guys playing vertical as well. This also is the NES emulator. I'm sure we're all familiar with this game. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to pick up the A25 5G. And this is the Sega emulator. Alright, remember the A25 5G is running Android 14 1 UI. This is out of the box. Okay, this is actual mobile gaming I'm playing here. This is Call of Duty Mobile. Also ran smooth. Alright, you can pick this phone up from Samsung or Amazon. I think Amazon running a deal on it. You can pick it up for like 250 or 264 or something like that at 128 gigs of space. Right, this is another popular mobile game. Again, running smooth. 6.5-inch screen, plenty of space for your thumbs. Right, 6 gigs of RAM. I can't stress that enough. It's only 6 gigs of RAM, and it's running really smooth.